Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you the tricks for your earbuds QCY MeloBuds Pro. When you listen to music or watching the movie, you don't need to use your phone, you can use gestures at your earbuds. The touch area is located at the back side of each earbud, at the top, and with this gesture you can play or pause the song, you can play next track, you can call voice assistant, switch between ambient sound control, and you can also customize them, and you can add to volume control. So we need to open a QCY application, then go to the settings, and right here we have control. So you can, as I said, add volume control. You can also add to play previous track, because by default we can only play next track. Then, if you want to improve your listening experience, we have a few different options. The first one, you can switch between equalizer presets. Right here we have presets what QCY offer for us. Also, you can use spatial sound. Right here near to the presets we have spatial sound effect. You can enable this and use it. Also, these earbuds have ANC, what means active noise cancellation, and this is my favorite mod. You can enable it in the application. You can also manage this mod by changing this ANC presets. When you met someone, you don't need to remove your earbuds. You can just enable transparency mode. Also, right here we can manage it. And you can use also controls to switch between these modes. Then, this one is top trick only for Android users. So these earbuds support LDAC. This one is high-resolution audio codec. And to use it, your phone should support this codec also. So you need to check is your Android phone supported. And you cannot use LDAC on the iPhone, because Apple devices doesn't support high-resolution audio codecs like LDAC, aptX, LC3 or LHDC. Also, these earbuds have dual connection. You need to go to the settings and enable dual connection. And you cannot use dual connection with LDAC. Also, if you go to the settings on Android device, you will find LDAC switch, and that's how you can enable LDAC. Right here we have dual connection, as I said, so we can connect two devices to these earbuds simultaneously. Also, if you play some games, we have game mode. You can enable it using gesture or in the application, but I don't recommend it to use this mode all the time, because with the game mode you may have connection instability. So when you finish to play games, just disable this mode. If you have some trouble with your earbuds, you can perform the factory reset to fix it. To perform the factory reset, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case and do not close the case. At the bottom, you'll find connectional button near to USB-C port, and you need to press and hold it until the LED light on the top on the headphones start blinking red. And then you should only reconnect these headphones with the phone. If you still don't know how to perform the factory reset for these earbuds, you can check video. We have it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!